The main purpose of this video is to create love among humans because we are living in 21st century, bro. In this modern era where everyone wants to do the work that they want, it's very important to connect to our own roots of religious beliefs, and we should understand the beliefs of other people also, because if once we understand the beliefs of other people, then it becomes very easy for us to love them. For example, in every religion of every country or continent that is existing on earth teaches love. The language of love is the language of God Himself. Some say God is Bhagwan, some say God is Allah, some say God is Vaheguru, some say God is God, some say God is not present. Atheist people say that God is not present. But if we can't manage even our house without any organization, without any management, then how can we say that God is not present? God is present everywhere. If God is not present, then who is managing all these things, from micro things to macro things to big things to small things to everything, to rich people to poor people to food to crops to businesses? Who is managing it? Everyone is doing their own work. No one is doing anyone else's work. So in brief, I want to say that God is available for you every time. It's up to you that your connection is strong to God or you are weak in your spiritual path, say, or religious path. And God is the most liberal, most modern, and most even I say stylish, or we can say most modern phenomenon on planet Earth, as well as in the universe, as well as the galaxies, even the universes that we can't even found now. Sorry, can't even find, pardon my English. But my purpose of making this video is basically that one should learn the religious beliefs of almost every religion, so that he or she could increase love among other people like we want to be loved ourselves. Because in the theory of karma also, it is mentioned that what we give, we receive. So if we give love to people, then people will automatically give us love. Why will people give us hate? So straight to the point, cut short, that we should love every human of every religion, of every surname, of every last name, of every color, of every race, of every country, of every food habit, of every size, of every weight, and of every mindset. Love is the language of God. Love is the language of God Himself.